down Central Drive and look at all these ones purchased by the council. So let's go and have a look and see how many are actually still left and how many's boarded up. And welcome back to a new video. So today we're going to have a bit of a walk around and have a look at that street what Blackpool Council have made compulsory purchases on. So we're going to go and have a look at there and have a look around the prom as well. So come and join me. So we just stepped away from the back alleys of Blackpool and the little ginnels, and as you can see straight ahead, this was the old cinema. You see now it's completely gone. So I think they was doing some work on it around the rear. You can see it's all boarded up. So it'll be interesting to see what this place will be. So it'd actually make a fantastic supermarket, to be honest. They've got the car park space, and straight ahead as well is the Club 3000 bingo as well. So this is the new drive-through Starbucks as well. So it was doing quite a bit of work on that one. It looks like it's more or less complete now. So there we go, just off Rigby Road. The new drive-through Starbucks should be opening very, very soon. So we're now back near Blackpool Football Club. And we did this street before where the council is making compulsory purchases on the street adjacent to the football club. So we're going to revisit this street and just see how many houses have now gone and been boarded up ready for demolition. Blackpool Football Club as well, so we've got plenty of work going on there with all them big bags of sand and cement and things, fence panels. So like I said, this is the street where it's only this row on the right hand side, the other's okay. It's the right hand side which is being made compulsory purchase by the council. So let's go and have a look and see how many are actually still left and how many's boarded up. So we're just going to have a walk around, so should I say walk around straight down this street, and you can see how many now have gone. You see the silver boards boarded up. So there's was it 1, 2, 3, 4 there now, and see how many left still living in the houses. So I'm not too sure the time scale they need to be out by. But obviously there will be a time scale. So it looks like there's 1, 2, 3 so far. In fact, make that 2. What is left? So are they leaving or waiting right until the last minute? So you can see number 12, number 10, all gone. And looks like they just got the belongings and obviously just called it a day. So there we go, that's the houses what are going, and it's been bought compulsory purchase by the council. So this is the alleyway what sort of leads right the way across at the back of Blackpool Football Club. So this is the alleyway, and so it looks like, as you can see, that building there and all these houses are sadly going. So I'm just walking along Central Drive now, and you can still see there's quite a few shops still open, a few changed hands, you know, in the years gone by. But I mean, this end it's not too bad. There's quite a few shops open. It's more towards when you get a bit more near the Blackpool Tower. You see them all boarded up. Yeah, you see the majority, like sort of kebab shops and takeaway shops. And Turkish barbers, they're literally all over. So you can see the Turkish barber over there, and all these, each one of these are all takeaway shops, which all open up at night time. But you see the iconic Blackpool Tower straight ahead as well. And who remembers this one? So there's a fire just above Adam Market, I think it was last week, and you can see the window is boarded up. Apparently there's an electrical fire, so it actually looks all empty upstairs. So the market was saved and it was just above. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll pop a link in the description for that one as well. So just walking a little bit further down Central Drive, and look at all these ones that are boarded up. I mean, these are never going to be reopened. You got glass missing, all sorts. So these shops are never going to be opened up in a hurry. And this one, the joke shop, it was open until about sort of 18 months ago, and now that is sadly gone as well. I know they've relocated, but yeah, it's a sad thing to see. Like I said years ago, these was bustling with life and everything. So what we're going to do now, we're going to pop onto the promenade and just have a very, very brief look and see what's going on the promenade. So let's get going. You see the beach house is really busy tonight. A lovely place that is, just to relax and grab a drink and unwind after a busy week working away. So that is the end of the video, so I do hope you enjoyed it. If you do, give us a thumbs up, consider subscribing to keep up to date with all the latest videos, and until next time, take care, and it's a bye from me.